एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट या ये इतना एग्रेसिव क्यों था? प्योर डिक्टेटरशिप का डर है यहाँ पर। अगर अब नहीं बोला तो जब एक्चुअल डिक्टेटरशिप बन जाएगा ना देश, तब लेट हो।
ये देख रहे हो, ये क्या है? ये बड़ा पाव नहीं, बकचोदी का यंत्र है, कलेश की किलकारी है। बिग बॉस में
Hello everybody, I'm Krishna Abhishek and you're watching the Kapil Sharma Show. Subscribe to Live Comedy.
दिल्ली में क्या होता है, दिल्ली में कहते हैं ना कि तुम्हें पता है मेरा बाप कौन है, गुड़गांव में पता होता है उनको।
Hello everybody, here I am Sonu Sharma, inspirational speaker, leadership consultant and a life coach.
10 साल के गोल को
तो टेक्निक के लिए एक तरफ
Information nowadays is present in the form of text, video, images, audio in any form that you want. But the irony is that each type of information from every part of the world is accessible at your fingertip. You get the thought and served. Every person of every age, every social media, every news channel has something to share with you. Everybody has some data or the information that want to share with you. And the human mind, which has to store data from what you want to wear today to how to understand the clients and help him to achieve his or her goals. Yes, I know that human mind is powerful, but still it's a human mind that sometimes it gets overwhelmed with a lot of data and information. And having access to such an immense amount of data is creating a lot of chaos and confusion in people, and people are feeling lost and confused about what they are doing with their life. Consciously or unconsciously, you are consuming a lot of data, the data that may not even be relevant to your work. I mean, if I am a software engineer, how would dance tutorial will help me to grow? How it's going to help me to grow? Analyzing the right information from all the available data is a skill that people right now must need. So Dave, tell me, what should I do? Just do what would you do if you have an overflow of water in your house? Of course, limit the consumption. All the content that is shared through various media is made to grab your attention. Companies have spent a lot of money on creating the algorithms that can make users come back to their platforms again and again. Once you get addicted to that platforms, you are likely to return to their platform again and again whenever your dopamine level hits you back. You need to reduce the consumption of the unimportant data and increase the consumption of the right information for yourself. Having a clear idea of your work, what you do and why you have picked up the phone can also help you to stick to the relevant data. I am having a list of the fields and the contents that I may need to watch or want to know more about it. Having that list helped me to stay out of the information that would not bring any change in my life. Staying away from social media might make you feel that you are losing something, but believe it, you are not losing anything. But you might lose the precious time that you would have spent on doing the things that could have made you happy. Starving your distractions would not be an easy task, but if you want to get out of this rat race, you have to take that challenge. Information related to your self-growth, finances, health, family and profession are the relevant data. Limit the sources from where you are consuming data. In this way, you are limiting the unimportant data from reaching out to you. It might not be easy for you to do these things. Hence, start spending much of your time taking action and keeping yourself engaged in activities that require all of your attention. Activities like sports, painting, swimming and cooking can take all of your attention from unnecessary actions or activities that you are doing. Hence, start taking action in doing these activities. Another is value your time. The biggest misconception that humans have is, I have enough time, which is actually not true. You have a certain number of years on this planet. And if you start spending those time on feeding your dopamine needs, you will never be able to experience the best thing in the world. Hence, value the time that you have on this planet. Make a list of the things that you want to do in your life and spend your time doing those things.